Great, now I have to go buy Pokeballs. Or find them, I don't know. Come on, Squirtle.
Squirtle.
Yes, after 10 years of research and time, I finally created these advanced Pokeballs. And no one will ever take them from me. What the heck? How did you get in here? I don't know. Well, anyways, I'm looking to buy some Pokeballs. Pokeballs, these are mine. Unless you have a lot of money. How much are they? $100 each. I only have $3.
Squirtle.
Oh, I know something else you would want.
Squirtle.
Let me get it. I got $3, but that's not 100. How about I offer you my AirPods as well? $3 in AirPods. Got yourself a deal. Yes.
Squirtle.
Alright, well, can I have one? You can only take one, though. Fine. Come on, Squirtle.
Squirtle.
The heck? Well, he's... Joke's on him. Those AirPods don't even work. Alright, now since I got a Pokeball, it's time to find that stupid Zubat. Where could he be? Hey, Zubat! Hey, come here, stupid Zubat! I found you! Squirtle, use tackle! What the heck? Ooh, that hurt a lot. Squirtle, use bubble! Come on. Now I can train and force it to do whatever I want. Yay! Alright, I got it.
Squirtle.
Let's go.
Squirtle.
Come on, Squirtle, let's go.
Squirtle. Oh, man.
I gotta tell Professor Woody about this.
I gotta tell Professor Woody about this.
Yeah!
What the hell, Junior?
Oh, sorry, baby Wooly.
Hey, Junior, guess what I just got?
What?
I just got a new Pokemon.
Well, guess what? I got a new Pokemon as well.
Well, how about we just have a little battle right now? Right here.
Alright. I'll beat your stupid butt Charmander.
Well, your Squirtle's gonna get whooped by my other Pokemon, even though, you know, your Squirtle has a type advantage against my Charmander.
Squirtle.
But I'm gonna use my new Pokemon first.
Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do that too. Let's battle. Wait, in typical Pokemon fashion, I forgot to do a quote. Alright, my dad has been on business vacation for a year now. Let's battle! Alright, Charmander, hold on. I'm gonna use you after. Alright? Alright, go Ekans!
Whoa, I've never seen that Pokemon before.
Ekans, the snake Pokemon. Ekans is a snake spelled backwards. Wow, that is so fucking creative.
Well, whatever. I got a better Pokemon than you. Your Pokemon sucks. Go Zubat!
Wow, that's crazy. Alright, Ekans, go ahead and use a bite on him.
Ekans.
Zubat, are you okay?
No, I'm not okay.
Can you still battle though?
Yes. Yeah, just use authority.
What do you know?
I know Leech Life, I know Bites, and I know Astonish.
Here, use Bite!
Alright. Ekans.
Oh no, Ekans, it's okay. Ekans, can you still battle?
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
No, Ekans, where you going? I need you for the last battle, bro. Well, Charmander, I guess it's your time to shine. Get out there.
Alright, this is gonna be easy. Zubat, return! Alright, Squirtle, no!
Squirtle!
Squirtle, finish him off and use bubble.
Squirtle! Oh crap!
No, I lost! Charmander! Oh shit, yeah, I actually kind of burned. Alright, fine, Junior, you won. Here's some money. I guess as a reward, here's $3. I'm broke.
Yeah, now I can go buy gas station gummy worms.
Actually, can you help me out and give me, $1?
No. Come on, Squirtle, let's go. You suck.
Bitches will be bitches.
Professor Woody.
Hey, hi.
Who the heck are you?
Oh, I'm Professor Woody's assistant. And he's not here right now, actually.
Okay, where did he go?
Oh, he went to the Vanilla Unicorn.
The heck? Where is that?
Oh.
What is that?
I don't know what it is. He just said that he went to go there to solve some important business. He said he went to go solve a big problem that he had. He said it was big and long, too.
Okay.
He said there was going to be a lot of, women there, too, for some reason.
Okay, well, I just wanted to come and tell him that I caught a new Pokemon.
Whoa, what is it?
It's a Zubat.
Can I take it?
No, it's mine.
Okay. Well, I'll just sit here and wait for him to come back. It's kind of like how Baby Bully's dad left him.
Oh, okay. Well, come on, Squirtle.
Squirtle.
Alright, time to go hear my Pokemon. Oh, shoot, it's Koopa. Oh, shoot, it's Junior. Hey, Koopa. Hey, Junior. How's your Pokemon adventure been going? It's been going pretty good. I caught my first real Pokemon. Well, that's cool. Well, I want to battle you.
Bulbasaur.
Well, can I go heal my Pokemon first? Fine. Just hurry up so we can battle. Alright, well, later. I'm gonna come back right now.
Bulbasaur's gotta go eat some weeds.